Hello? Hello, audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 minute, Amma. Just 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Today, we need to discuss about video. Where is audible, Anjali?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Last class we completed. So almost all general characters of in chlorophyce and also some of the yes. Last class uh, we completed algae, chlorophyce, chlorophyte. What is the chlorophyce? So some of the chlorophyte member also yesterday we are completed. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes. Before going that one, here how many types of flagellas? Tell me here anybody. There is the video.
The
How
two
many?
types.
Huh?
Two types.
Yes. What is the first one is?
B plus.
What what?
B plus flagella.
Whiplash, flagella, and
Tinsel
second one is
flagella.
tinsel type of flagellas. Okay. So please tell me any one or 2 points in chlorophytic algae. How can we recognize it in chlorophytic algae? Chlorophyce.
Chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll A and B
Very, very good.
as the major
Next one.
chlorophyll pigment.
Just 1 minute, Amma. Little bit technical problem is there. Sure. ఇట్లా పిన్ ఉంటుందని బాగుంటుంది ఏదో పిన్ ఉందా పిన్ జస్ట్ 1 minute అమ్మ yes. So today, so we are going to discuss about in Okay, now it is clear, audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Yes, so today now we are going to discuss about in cyanophytic algae. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. See here, cyanophytic algae. This is the cyanophyte is a blue-green algae occur in freshwater and marine environments. Okay. So what is the distribution of habit of cyanophytic algae? Yeah. So cyanophytic algae it is in cosmopolitan distributions. So with most of the species occurring throughout almost all the worldwide we are looking in cyanophytic algae. Okay. So near about the blue-green algae from the significant part of the free floating population of this is a microscopic organisms. Okay. So which constitute a plankton of eutrophic originally rich lakes and sometimes are looking in oceans. Okay. Yes, so here I'm sharing one slide, cyanophyta. Okay, visible this one.
Sir.
Cyanophyta also known as cyanobacteria. This is blue-green algae. Okay, so group of this is a photosynthetic bacteria found in various environments, including freshwater, marine, and terrestrial ecosystems. Okay, so this is of distribution. Here I am showing a little bit cyanophytic algae. So one more name is a cyanobacteria that is of in Mixophyceae. So what is the meaning of in Mixo? Mixo means all mucilage cavities. Mixophyceae means these bacteria we are looking in only mucilage cavities. General, so these cell, the cyanobacteria cell we are looking in mucilage cavities. That's why we are saying here it is in Mixophyceae. Okay, so after the Mixophyceae we are saying that is in cyanophytic algae. Now we are saying that is in cyanobacteria. Here, why you are saying is cyanobacteria means some of these cyanophytic plants goes to one place to other places. Some movement is there. So not only that one, this cell structure is there. Prokaryotic cells. Cell structure is the prokaryotic cells. Whatever the bacteria structures you are looking, same type of the structure they are also looking in cyanophytic algae. That's why we are saying here it is in cyanophytic algae. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, now you see what is the cell structure of in cyanophytic algae. Okay, if not cyanophytic bacteria. So already you see here cyanophytic of cell structure it is in prokaryotic. Okay, that is of in prokaryotic natures. Already we know very well what is prokaryotic. Okay, cyanobacteria it is a prokaryotic meanings the lack of nucleus membrane bound in organelles. Their genetic material is located in nucleoid region of cell. That's why we are saying that is in means the Mixophyceae cell it is in prokaryotic cell. First point. Okay. Yeah. Next point. See, this is a what type of vegetative structures is there in this one? That is of unicellular. That is in unicellular. Unicellular means already you know very well. Okay. forms where are with only one cell. That's why this is in unicellular. So for example, that is often that is so many cyanophytic bacteria is there, and some of the colonies is also is theirs. Okay, that is example of Meristimopedia. Meristimopedia, that is of an colonies type. Some of the members it is in filamentous type. Filamentous type. Okay, so some of the other members of cyanobacteria, that is of heterotrichomes also is there. Okay, so in heterotrichomes, two types of heterotrichomes is there. One it is in false branches. Second one that is in, okay, we call that is of another true branches is there. That's why here we are looking two types of trichomes is there. Okay, that's why we are saying it is in heterotrichomes. One it is a false branching, second one that is of in true branchings. Okay, is it here now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now cyanobacteria, once again, cyanobacteria vegetative structures. Vegetative structure is a unicellular structure is there, colony forms is there, and filamentous is there. Okay, heterotrichomes means two types of trichomes is there. So this is of a vegetative structure of cyanophytic algae. So when we are looking in in-depth study of cell structures, in-depth study of cyanobacteria cell structures, you see here, here I am showing first cell wall. Okay, cell structure. Cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan similar to other bacteria which provides structural support to the shape. Cell wall. Cell wall is made up of different type of the molecules. Whatever the structure we are looking in bacteria, same type of the cell structure also we are looking in cyanophytic algae. What type of structure that is in? Peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan. But same type of the cell structure also you are looking in this one. Okay, similarly now you see thylakoids is there. Okay, so and next one that is of in and you see now here this one is in one type of special type of pigments is there, different type of the pigments you are looking in this one, that is of in chlorophyll A and phycomeloproteins, carotenoids. This is three types of pigments, different type of the pigments we are looking in this cyanophytic algae. Yeah. So next now you see here that is often some type of food reserve materials, that is often cyanophysin granules and oil droplets. Okay, cyanophysin starch is related to glycosins. These type of food materials also we are looking in cyanophytic algae. Next one, gas vacuoles. The gas vacuoles composed of gas vessels. Okay, it is a cylindrical tube-like structures is there. Okay, so this one we are looking where the cytoplasms. Okay, these gas type of vacuoles we are looking where the beside the cytoplasms, and they do not have two protein lipid membranes, being the composed of exclusively protein ribs. Okay, means so here we are not looking true protein lipids, but so there we are looking in protein rib-like structures. It is not a true proteins, but so we are looking like protein-like structures is there. Okay, and that is one more special type structures are also we are looking in this one. You see, when we are looking in bacteria, when we are looking in bacteria cell wall, so below the cell wall, one cross-like structure is there. We are saying that is of in mesosomes, mesosomes. But same type of the structures we are also observing in where that is of in cyanophytic algae. So we call that is of in lamellosomes. Lamellosome. In bacteria, I was saying that is of in mesosomes. Similar structure is there, but here we are saying that is of in lamellosomes. So this is the little structures of an cyanophytic algae. So once again, now you see here cyanophytic algae, that is in prokaryotic algae. First, prokaryotic structures is there. Second one, the cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. Okay, and so thylakoid photosynthesis occurs in thylakoid membranes is there, and next one, that is of in harvesting complex attached to thylakoid members containing, that is of in phycobilproteins. Phycobilproteins also is there. So this is the cell structure of in cyanophytic bacteria. Yeah, next one, reproduction systems. So before going the reproduction systems, you see how many types of reproduction system in algae? Please tell me, or anybody?
Three types.
Yes, very good. Now you see here reproduction system. Sir, these reproduction system, here we are looking three types is there: vegetative reproduction system, asexual reproduction systems, and next one is sexual reproduction system. Three types of sexual reproduction system. Okay, we are looking in cyanophytic algae. Yeah, what is the first one? So you see, what is the meaning of a vegetative reproduction system?
Mm. One of the plant body is break down to form new plant body.
Fragmentations. Break the portion. Rest of the portion automatically produce a new plant. That is in vegetative reproduction systems. Okay. Unfavorable condition, entire the body formation, one special type of the structures we call that is in vegetative structures. But here fragmentation is there. And next, now you see here this one, Harmogonia. Harmogonia, it is a one special type of the structures. Sir, what is the meaning of in Harmogonias? So when we are looking the when we are looking the filamentous type structures, unfavorable conditions. For example, filament branches is there. One branch protoplasm comes to closely other protoplasms. Okay. So here two branches is there. So these are all the protoplasm coming and beside the beside the cell. And here these protoplasms and coming protoplasms associated one special type of the structures. Generally, they are some dead cells. But so automatically in favorable conditions, these structures automatically produce a new plant. That is in Harmogonias. You see here short motile filaments that break away from the main trichome to help the dispersal to colonizations of new environments. Unfavorable condition, entire the body coming together and close association one special type of the structures. Particularly the when cyanophytic algae, we are saying that is in Harmogonias. Okay. So next one, fragmentations, already you know very well. Okay. So breaking into the fragments, the each of which can grow new filament, that is of in fragmentations. And next one, asexual reproduction systems. So asexual reproduction is a binary fissions, and where the cell divisions. Okay. So binary fission means already you know. For example, this is a one cell. Favorable conditions automatically it is divided two. That is a binary fission series. So we call this is in asexual reproduction systems. And some more is there. That is a heterocyst is there, and akinase is there. So these are also reproduction system. So these are also some type of reproduction systems is there. Okay. You see here the reproduction system. It is a vegetative, fission, fragmentations, hormones, hormospores. Okay. The asexual reproduction system, it is in akinates and heterocysts. So this is the reproduction system of cyanobacteria. And also one more important point is that see here. So in all the cyanophytic algae, almost all we are looking at the mucilage cavities. If not You see, the cycas plant, cycas plant. Uh, this cyanobacteria close association with cycas roots is there. Cycas roots, coli roots is there. Coli
Ah,
roots. Hello.
yes, sir. Coralloid roots.
Yes. Means this cyanophytic algae association with where the cycas roots. We call this is in coli. Coli. What is the meaning of in coli roots? So these roots are comes to above the soil where the gymnosperms in cycas. So this algae association that roots we call that is in okay. So this association with that type of the roots there we are looking in cyanophytic algae. Why? You see here, this is of the cyanophytic bacteria can fix of atmospheric nitrogens into the usable from ammonia, which is critical nutrient poor environment. This process is facilitated by heterocyst and filament species or occur in specialized intracellular structure of unicellular forms. Okay, so you see some of the plant it wants to the nitrogens. There is no proper nitrogens. These cyanophytic bacteria is giving to the nitrogens. Okay, that's why here this of nitrogen fixing. So next now you see here the ecological roots. Okay, so now you see here the primary production. Cyanobacteria is the primary producers in many aquatic ecosystem contributing of significantly to the global carbon cycle with photosynthesis. Okay, so this means cyanobacteria is play major role in the environment. It is the nitrogen fixation is there. And next now you see here some of the many aquatic okay, so is the global carbon cycle through the photosynthesis. So they play major role. And next now you see here the cyanophytic bacteria it is a oxygen productions. Okay. So here the photosynthesizers is played the crucial role of environmental earth in atmosphere by the producing oxygen during the great carbon dioxide event. That's why cyanobacteria also major play role in the environment. And next one is the most important point here. This cyanobacteria always it is in symbiotic associations, means these plantar association other organisms. That's why we are saying that is often symbiotic associations. Symbiotic. See now here the cyanobacteria from symbiotic relationship with various organisms, including fungi, lichens. Okay, so plants of just now using the cycas, okay, and protists providing the fixed nitrogen, receiving the production of nutrient in returns. So this is. And next one, distribution of habit means this cyanophytic algae almost all already I told. So it is the cosmopolitan distributions all over the world wise. Okay, cyanobacteria are found in a wide range of environments from freshwater lakes. Okay, and next there is of in rivers where the oceans means cosmopolitan distributions. Okay, so now you see here is a bloom-like structures is there, unfavorable conditions. The cyanobacteria can form dense blooms that can have ecological impacts, including oxygen deprivation and the production of toxin harmful to other organisms. Means some of the cyanobacteria is produced to different type of the toxins also. You see cytotoxins, which is a little bit harmful to the aquatic plant. Okay. So next now you share adaptations. Buoyancy controls. Some cyanobacteria gave eyes to vessels that allow to regulate their buoyancy and position themselves for the light and nutrient access. Okay. So next now you see here actinides. The thick mucilaginous sheaths help the cyanobacteria survive. Okay. So dry conditions. So this is the little bit general characters. Now we are going to you see now here the cyanobacteria. Okay. It is a prokaryotic organisms with a wide range morphological forms, okay, and unicellular filamentous. So yes. So next now you see this is of in general characters. So now we are going to particularly one topic. Okay. So that is in just 1 minute. Now here now you see this one. Is it clear now general characters of cyanophytic algae?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Usually respond
Yes, sir.
yes. Now we are going to discuss about in nostoc.
Sir,
Okay.
just increase your voice, sir. Low. Voice is low.
Voice is low.
Mm.
Hello.
Sir.
Now it is okay.
Okay, sir.
Still it is low.
కొంచెం హైగా కొంచెం చెప్పండి సార్. మీ వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుంది కానీ సౌండ్ కొంచెం తక్కువ.
If one is different. Now it is okay.
ఓకే.
Yes. Now it is okay. Next, now you see here. So we are going to one special topic that is in nostoc. Okay. Nostoc, it is a cyanophytic algae. Here now you see where is our nostoc. This is in nostoc. Okay. So nostoc, the genus of cyanobacteria that is known as for unique morphological and physiological characters. Okay. The cyanobacteria means the nostoc found in various environments. Almost all this nostoc, and also we are looking in all types of places, different type of the places, lakes, ponds, and other, okay, close association with the roots. Different type of the places in all the sections we are looking in nostoc. But in spite of nostoc, it is a play significant role with the environment. Yeah. So next, what is a morphological structures? Where is the diagram here? Yes. Now you see here, this is in nostoc. Diagram is visible.
ఎస్ సార్.
This is in nostoc. Okay. You see now. So the nostoc always. Okay. So already you are completed with the practical classes.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yeah. Where we are looking in nostoc? Mucilage cavities.
ఎస్ సార్. బాల్ లైక్
Okay.
స్ట్రక్చర్ సార్.
Okay, you see here always the nostoc we are looking in mucilage cavities. You see now we are typically from colonies that are gelaceous is appearance due to the presence of mucilaginous sheath. Okay, the nostoc always we are looking in where tell me here. Always we are looking in mucilage cavities. Nostoc is a filamentous from which grows in a large colonies. Okay, the closely packed trichomes. So near about nostoc, that is in 30 species is there. Okay, it is an aquatic habit including fresh and where the marine. Some species in nostoc that is often endophytes. Yeah. So common species it is in nostoc, that is of in spagniform. It is a very common species. Yeah. What type of cell structure is there? Vegetative structure of a nostoc. Yeah. Each trichome has its own mucilaginous sheath, and it is known as filament. See now here, it is a structure. This is okay. Mucilaginous sheath, and each filament is contained one cell. One, two, three. So many balls-like structures is there. The numerous filamentous is a colony together. Okay. So by the soft mucilaginous envelope formed by the fusion of individual trichome sheaths. This is a one trichome sheath is there, and here also looking one more trichome sheath is there. Okay. So it is the each filament consists of row rounded or olar blue green cells which are so arranged resemble chain beds. At place the trichomes, some of which one that is of empty places where the barrel shapes is there, where it is in here. Now you see some empty places are visible here. Sir, these
Ah,
empty these empty
heterocyst,
places these empty
heterocyst.
places we call that is in heterocyst. Okay. So you now see here, heterocyst specially conserved in the multiplications of filament by dividing in harmogonias. Okay. Here this is of in harmogonias. This is in vegetative structure of in nostoc. Okay. Yes. So once again, listen here to all of you. Now this is of in here I am showing one PDF document nostoc. Yeah. Typically forms colonies that they are gelaceous and appearance due to the presence of mucilaginous sheath. These colonies can be free floating or attached with the substrates. The colonies consist of chains like we call that is trichomes that can from special filamentous the irregular shapes. Each trichomes are composed numerous vegetative cells, and in some species of specialized cells is there. So already I'm showing that is in heterocyst. Yeah, is it clear now? So next, now you see we are going to detail structure of cell structures. Okay. So already cell structure also same. Yeah. Next one, a reproduction system of a nostoc. Yeah. So here already reproduction system in that is of in harmogonias is there. Okay. Achinids is there, and some type of endospores also. So we are looking in this one. So this is about in nostoc. Just a very simple. Then short question purpose is important in cyanophytic algae. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is a very much helpful to the environment. You see now here this are nitrogen fixations. So this is in symbiotic associations and soil fermentation stabilizations. This is in primary productions. Yeah. So and also now you see in agriculture it is a very important play role in environment due to this nitrogen fixations, and so biotechnological applications. Okay. Bioactive compounds including the polysaccharides and vitamins, secondary metabolics also we are looking in this one. So this is in one more important by nitrogen fixation. It is a ecological indicators. Okay. So why you are saying this of ecological indicators means due to this of sensitivity of environmental changes such as the pollution and climate changes monitoring. Okay. Nostoc population can provide in insights into the health ecosystem and the impact of environmental systems. Okay. So this is of some here we are using some traditional and cultural uses and also. Yeah. So this is
That
often yes.
పొల్యూషన్ ఇండికేటర్స్ అంటే పొల్యూషన్ లెస్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు గ్రో అవుతాయా హైగా ఉన్నప్పుడు గ్రో
less
అవుతాయి?
less 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 less
ఓకే.
ప్లస్ గా ఉన్న మాత్రం ప్రొవైడ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ nostoc. Yeah, so one more, next one is there, so that is in spirulina. So this is also same similar structures. Yeah, this is in cyanophytic algae. You see in spirulina. This is also blue green algae. See here I am showing on the dot. Spirulina means it is looking like a just snake like structures is there. So that is in spirulina. Okay, the spirulina. Hello, visible? Some disturbance is there.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, the type of cyanobacteria. Okay, we are saying that is often also blue green algae. The spirulina looks very similar to it is in Acylatoria. So, but it is also called filamentous like structures is there. Okay, the trichomes, it is a cylindrical shape, but loosely or tightly and closely associations. Okay, but and just a little bit color also we are looking, and colored blue green, olive green, sometimes are looking in gray green, brown, red and violet, different type of the, so blue green we are looking in this one. So they may be solitary, this also mucilaginous. Okay, filamentous type attached together. Individual filaments do not have the mucilage sheets. Okay, some mats produce slime like structures is there. So each cell, it is a square, rectangular, particularly when you are looking in the each scale, each cell structures are rectangular, and so there is no gas vesicles, and thylakoids parallel is there. Okay, and apical cells are round like structures is there. Okay, the cell wall have rows of perforations of concave site. So means looking like uh, when you're looking in this area, round like structures is in this area, and also here also the reproduction system by here vegetative and asexual and sexual is there. Okay, uh, where it is now you see here I'm showing the morphological structures. Yeah, very simple, this of in spirulina. Okay, it's of in multicellular filamentous type is there. Okay, and this of in filament of compositions. Yeah, so next one, color, different type of the colors. Now stock, it is only one color is there, and in this one we are looking different type of the colors is there. Yeah, so cell structures already you know very well, that is in prokaryotic cell is there. Okay, so the genetic material is located in nucleoid region within the cells. Yeah, so this is in this structure, it is in spirulina. Yeah, so next one more is there, that is in Lingbia. Okay, so Lingbia, so this is also dark blue green, freshwater. Okay, freshwater cyanophytic algae. Yeah, so the thallus, it is a consist of very free living trichomes is there. So this is here it is in very compact and tangled mosses like structures. Each trichome, it is a very long thread-like unbranched thread-like structures is there. Okay, so that is a filamentous structure, and the cells trichome, it is a similar whatever we are before completed, same similar structures we are looking in this one. See now here, so this is in Lingbia plant. This is in Lingbia plant. Okay, so same. Each filament consists of vegetative cell. So whatever you are before completed, same type of the structure also you are looking in this one. That is of in Lingbia. Okay. So next now you see here, a reproduction system are same, vegetative and asexuals means harmogonias and achainids. and heterosis also you are looking in this one. So this is of in Lyngbia. And next one, and that is of in Telopteryx, same, almost all. So Telopteryx, it is a filamentous, unbranched filament, trichomes, which can appear single strands or in clusters. Is there clusters? Okay. So now you see the filament, the cylindrical vegetative structures is there. Yeah. So colors, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, pigments. We are looking in this one. Yeah. So next now you see this is of in prokaryotic cells and a reproduction system. The reproduction system by the where it is in fragmentations and heterocyst. Okay, these are all the types you are looking in this one. Okay, so this is the cyanophytic algae. Yeah. So once again, you see here the cyanophytic algae. You see almost all the cyanophytic algae that is in blue green algae. The group of all the cyanophytic algae, it is in prokaryotic prokaryotic algae. Okay, they have chlorophyll A and that is often phycobiliproteins, glycosin, and some of these are all the storage of food products. Flagellas are completely absent at the moment in the member of accomplished by gliding motions. So this is most important. Okay, what is the meaning of in gliding motions? Gliding motions means these plants are all goes to one place to other places by the gliding moment. Here the cyanobacteria flagellas are totally absent. There is no flagellas. Okay. Yeah. The number of blue green algae have capacity to change the color relations, wave length in the instant. The change color often describe it. Okay, so depending on the plant, so the color also we are looking a little bit change. Okay, now stock, it is a freshwater algae. Spirulina, it is a filamentous type structure is there. Lyngbia and also filamentous type structure is there. In all the cyanophytic algae, reproduction system by vegetative and that is of in hormogonias and heterosis. So this is cyanophytic algae. Yeah. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One is the most important question is there in this one. Describe the general characters of Cyanophyta and its activities with other related groups. This is general question. This one is most important. Similarly, describe the spirulina and Lyngbia, nostoc. It is a common short question purpose. Sometimes it is coming. You see, for example, so describe the reproduction system of a nostoc. Okay. So, but what is the relationship between other algae? What is the other relationship in algae? Please tell me here, anybody? Tell me here, anybody. What is the relationship between bacteria cell and bacteria cell and cyanophytic cell?
Both are prokaryotic in nature.
Yes, sir. That is important. ఎవరు చెప్పట్లేదు ఏంటి?
Cells are in prokaryotic in nature.
What?
Cells are in prokaryotic in nature.
Prokaryotic cells. Okay. So where we are looking in cyanophytic algae. General, cyanophytic algae.
Mucilaginous sheath is present.
Mucilaginous sheath. Okay, where the mucilaginous sheath is there. What type of food reserve materials is there? Starch, cyanophysin, granules, and oil droplets. Okay.
Heterocysts also are present.
Flagellas are absent or not?
Absent.
Absent. Sexual reproduction system are absent or not?
Absent, sir. Only
Absent.
only
Absent.
heterocysts present.
Only asexual reproduction system is present. So this is all. Yes. So this is all to the cyanophytic algae. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next, now you see we are going to one more. Okay. So that is in just 1 minute. Yes, here. Just 1 minute. I'm sharing one more slide. Share. Okay. Now you see here unit number 7th. General characters, some genera of Xanthophyta and Basilaryophyta. Okay. Now, first one is of Xanthophyta. Yes. So now you see here. Next one, that is of Xanthophysi. Okay. Yes. Already you know very well. Once upon a time, the algae, it is how many classes is there? Total 11 classes. Once upon a time, algae, it is totally 11 classes. Okay. Chlorophysi, Xanthophysi, Cryophysi, Basilaryophysi, Cryptophysi, Dinophysi, and Chloromonodoniae, Euglinaceae, and Phaeophysi, Rhodophysi, and Mixophysi. So now we are completed Chlorophysi and Cyanophysi. So next, now we are going to Xanthophysi. Okay. Please tell me any 1 or 2 points of in Xanthophysi.
Chlorophyll.
Yellow.
What? You are saying this is in? See, I am
Yellow
sharing.
green algae.
Yes, that is important. I am sharing. Now you see here. That is of an yellow green algae. Okay. See, Cyanophysi, sorry, Chlorophysi, it is a green algae. Chlorophysi, it is a green algae.
Yes, sir.
Cyanophytic algae.
Blue green.
Xanthophysi algae.
Yellow green.
Yellow green algae. Okay. So why you are saying yellow, blue, or green?
Chlorophyll.
Depending on the pigments, don't say the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll. Depending on the pigments, entire the algae are divided. These are all the classes. Okay. Chlorophyll A, B, that is in chlorophytic algae. So blue green algae, that is other things. Different type of the pigments is there. So now this is in a yellow green algae. The member of this class is commonly called yellow-green algae. What type of pigments we are looking in this one? This is of in carotenoids or carotenoids or in excess of over chlorophylls. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
This is the carotenoids. Okay, carotenoids. Next point. Most of the members are freshwater. Okay, are found in free floating conditions. That is often planktons or where it is in epiphytes, like that of in chlorophysi, the xanthophysi also including unicellular, motile, palmellite, coccoid, colonies, filamentous. Okay, so these are all the conditions you are looking in where the xanthophysi. Cell wall is made up of pectic substance. Okay, the xanthophytic cell wall is made up of pectic substance. Flagella are present in motile forms. There are generally two number of unequal sizes. Two types of flagellas, unequal motile flagellas. Motiles, so forms we are looking in this xanthophytic algae. Okay, each cell is many discoid. The chromatophores, and here pyrenoids are absent. That is of pyrenoids are absent. Okay. So next now you see here chlorophyll E. Chlorophyll E is a restricted to this class. Chlorophyll E. Chlorophyll B's are absent in this one. Keratins, xanthophylls are bounded in this xanthophytic algae. Starch are absent. The chief, where is the reserve food materials are lipids and leucines. The and sterols also, ergosterols. Ergos, which is a fat-like structure, is there. So these are also we are looking in this one. The sexual reproduction system is very rare. It may be present. That is often isogamous and ogamous. Okay, so generally here it is in four orders is there. That is often heterochlorides, heterococcales, and heterotricholis, and heterocephalnolysis. So these are all the little bit of general instruction, general characters of in xanthophytes. So now we are going to the detail about of in this one. So here given to see which one that is of in Vacheria, and so next one that is of in only Vacheria is there in our book. Yeah. Now you see here. So we are going to clear discuss about in this one. So you see occurrence. So where we are looking in blue green. So this yellow green algae means it is all almost all okay, cosmopolitan distributions. As Chlorophyta, this is a much smaller group. Most members occur in where it is in free floating communities. Phytoplanktons is there. Some of the members are it is in epiphytes. Okay, so other plant parts of fresh water. Some forms are also grow in terrestrial habitats. In sub-aerial situations, only from few of genera it is in marines. Means almost all the places. So you are looking in yellow green algae. Okay, so this is all the general characters, almost all. Now we are compared to general characters. So once again, it is often yellow green algae due to their partial often chromatophores is there, which combination of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll E. Keratin is a several, there is some xanthophyll is there. And next now you see here, the member of xanthophytes is commonly known as which one that is often yellow green algae. That is of unequal flagella. They are classified into subgroups of hetero, means different type of two different type of flagellas we are looking in this one. So this is a little bit general characters of in blue green algae. That is of yellow and blue green algae. Yeah, next now you see here. And thallus structures. What is the meaning of in thallus?
Undivided.
Yes. These you see here, these xanthophytic algae, green algae like plant body maybe means cell structure. It is unicellular. Motile is in chlorocomonus. That is often palmelloid with a swimming paste of in other which one? So other that is of in yellow green algae. Okay. Now you see here this vegetative body, it is a palmelloid stage is there. Palmelloid stage is there. These cell it is produced to juice spores, okay, by the reproduction system by the juice spores. Okay, so this is of in here also you're looking some pseudo parenchyma. Cell structure is a pseudo parenchyma is there. So this is the thallus structures. So once again now you see here. So like green algae, the plant body may be unicellular, motile structures is there. Okay. So some members it is of in coccoid habit. For example, botrediums. Yeah. Some of the vegetative plant body, some of it is a palmelloid stage. So please tell me here anybody, what is the meaning of in palmelloid stage?
When the conditions are unfavorable.
Tell me. Clearly, what is the meaning of in palmelloid stage? It's a general question. So many times yesterday and before yesterday I was asking. Thallus structure. How many types of thallus structure is there?
Two types.
Tell me number one is.
Unicellular.
Second one is
Filamentous.
filamentous type. Okay. Colonies, you know colonies.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of in palmelloid stage? What is the differentiate between cenobium and palmelloid? So first of all, when you know the colonies, what is the meaning of colonies?
A group of cells formed.
Colony is an aggregate of cells enclosed one mucilage envelopes. That is in colony. One group of the members are close association, particular one places, that is in colonies. How many types of colonies is there? Synobial colony, palmelloid colony, dendroid colony, rhizopodial colonies is there. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the meaning of synobium?
A group of cells aggregate in the mucilage.
Yes. But one important point is, okay, that is also correct. Definite number cells having constant, okay, constant shape and size called of synobium. Definite number. When we are looking in one colony, we are looking in only particularly some 100 or 200, particularly constant number is there, that is of synobium. Palmelloid, no fixed number, no fixed number. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
No fixed number, that is in palmelloid stage. What is the meaning of dendroid? Very simple. Every time I'm asking this one. Where the plant-like mucilage is there, plant-like green algae is there, plant-like colonies is there. Dendroid means tree-like, and the cells are joined branch. Okay. When you look in the plant-like structures is there, that is in dendroid. Rhizopodial colony. See what is the meaning of rhizopodial colony? Rhizo. What is the meaning of in rhizoids? Where the root-like structures is there. The colony association in the rhizoids. Very simple. Just you think. Please you think what is the word. So when you know the word meaning, sentences is very easy. You know the colonies. General word. Colony means some group of members are living in only particular one place. That is often colony. So Cenobium colony. Particularly fixed numbers is there. Palmelloid stage. Palmelloid means
no particular number.
no particular number. That's all. Okay. So here this one, this is in palmelloid stage. You see here. Okay. But the filamentous, it is a palmelloid. Okay. So motile habitat production is there and juice pores. So these are all the general structures of in where the Xanthophyte. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, any notes? Just share the screen, sir.
Yes, yes, sure. What?
Notes, sir.
Notes.
Yeah,
Okay, I will share it. Now you see here it is very simple is there. Blue-green algae, just to write only 1 or 2 points is enough. Blue-green algae, okay. So free floating, epiphytic, fresh water, terrestrial plants. That's enough. We call that is of yellow and green algae. Why you are saying that's of yellow green algae, which contain different type of the pigments. What type of the pigments? Pigments is most important in this one. Okay. Yes. So next now you see here the thallus structures. So already you know thallus structure. Reproduction systems. How many types of reproduction system?
3 types, but yeah.
Here now you see here reproduction members of this group. Visible this share this one PPT. Sir, not PPT. This is a PDF.
No, sir, empty screen is showing.
Not clear screen it is.
No, sir, from the beginning it's not coming from Xanthophyte.
Xanthophyte is not sharing.
I'm not sharing, sir.
1 minute. Here I'm sharing. Why it is sharing the Bacillariophyte Xanthophyte share. Now it is okay. Still. Yeah, okay. Now you are seeing. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now you see here, this is Xanthophyta. This yellow green algae. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes. It is in compare the chlorophyta. This is a much group of smaller group. Yeah. This is a epiphytes terrestrial generas. Okay. And now you see a range of the thallus structures. Like green algae plant body may be unicellular, motile. Motile is there, unicellular and motile. I know you see here this is often where it is often chlorocomonus, it is a palmelloid stage. And next one that is often chlorosacus, it is in rhizopodials is there. Now I already told what is palmelloid, what is rhizopodial. Okay. And here know the cenobium. Palmelloid stage is there. And next one that is often rhizopodial stage is there. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So next now you see here reproduction systems are. It is visible. Respond Ashwini. Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Anjali respond.
Sir.
Yeah, now you see please how many types of reproduction system in Xanthophyta? Xanthophyte?
Vegetative.
My cursor is there. Asexual and sexual reproduction systems. Okay. Yes. So first now you see vegetative. Already you know very well, but I am not going the detail. What is the vegetative? Fragmentation. Okay, that is a vegetative reproduction systems. So next one, asexual reproduction system by zoospores. Asexual reproduction system by the zoospores. Okay, so already you know very well the zoospores. Sometimes the place of zoospores under unfavorable conditions. Okay, a modified vision this of aplanospores. What is the differentiator between aplanospores and zoospores?
Zoospores can movable, sir.
Hmm. Aplanospores,
Cannot move.
no movement.
Hmm.
Okay, that is in aplanospores. Zoospores, which zoospores are contain the flagellas. Yes, Anjali sharing.
Sir.
Uh,
Hmm.
now you see unfavorable conditions. So this xanthophytic algae is modified as a one special type of the structure that is in where it is in. Okay, now I'm writing where it is in this one. Uh, you take any one which one. Here now you see this one unfavorable condition. It is of aplanospores. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The favorable conditions that is in
Zoospores.
zoospores. Okay. Both are asexual reproduction systems. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is all the general characters of in Xanthophysi. So now we are going to discuss about of Vacheria. Okay. You see here. Anjali, stop your. Anjali, stop your writing. Okay. Hello.
Sir.
Stop your writing, Anjali. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah. Next, now you see we are going to now the detailed structures means general characters of in Xanthophysi. Now we are going to particular one member. Which one that is in Vacheria? The class it is in Xanthophysi. Order it is in Vacherialis. Family that is of in Vacheriaceae. And next one that is of in Vacheria. Is it clear now, Vacheria? Here, generally, the Vacheria represented about near about how many species is there? That is of in 50 spore species. Okay, out of which just are 9 to 10 species have reported from our India. This Vacheria is also cosmopolitan distributions. Yeah, so many species that is often terrestrial. Some of the members found in free floating in shallow that is often freshwater and where the brackish waters. Few of the Vacheria plant that is of marine growing into the tidal zones and where the mud regions. Terrestrial species from green mats and dump soils. Yeah. So some of the occurrence means almost all. You see here the majority of the species Vacheria is commonly represented in temperate regions, especially such well situations the following where the wastewater. So these are all the occurrence of in Vacherias. Yeah. Next, now you see thallus structures. Okay. So already, so you know very well the thallus structures means here the Vacheria is a. Uh, the Vacheria, it is a that is often springly branched, sinusitic, and siphonaceous thallus. What is the meaning of sinusitic thallus? Tell me here, anybody. Sinusitic thallus.
Phenotypic, many nucleus, many number of
Many
nucleus.
many number of nucleus are present in that one. Okay, and you see, for example, this is the one thallus. This thallus, it not unbranched is there. All the nucleus protoplasm is goes to from here to here to here. We call this of sinusitic. And this thallus, it is a symphonious, means tube-like structures. So when you are touched like this, okay, it is a tube-like structures is there. Tube-like structure, we call that is often siphonaceous. Okay, symphonious or tube-like structures is there. The filamentous shows are apical growth. Okay, apical growth. The several, it is often centimeter, means more than 10 to sometimes are like in 20 centimeters also are looking watch area. Okay, here the thallus structure of in, see now here, thallus structures filamentous are yellowish green, usually grow in the form of thick and erect dense belt of uh, this is of in thallus structure is there. Okay, the cell wall is made up of, so you know, very different type of the molecules is there. Okay. The wall filament of relatively thin and lacks in usually electricity structure. It is differentiated in outer pectic, inner cellulose layer is there. Outer and inner cell wall is there. The cell wall developed is a tube-like structures is there. Central vacuoles is there. That is of filamentous filamentous type structures is there. Okay, so this vacuole filled with a cell sap. The protoplast is present in the form of continuous layer between the cell wall and the central vacuoles. Many nucleus or chromatophores is there, remains of embedded in the region of cytoplasms. This nucleus lie towards center chromatophores is there, towards the periphery in the protoplast. In the protoplast, the cytoplasm shows of streaming movements which involve nucleus, mitochondria, and dictyosomes. The chromatophores are discoid shapes where there is no pyrenoids. These pigments of characteristic of xanthophyce, chlorophyce A, chlorophyll E, carotenoids, xanthophylls are present in this xanthophytic algae. So chlorophyll B, a typical pigment of chlorophyce, is absent in this genus. And here we are looking the reserve food materials. We call that is of in Vacheria. Okay, so it is a filament are grown under continuous illuminations and assimilatory production change after the starch. It growth of the thallus may be elongation of the terminal portions. Some growth may be monopodials. So this is a thallus structure of in entire the Vacheria. So next now you see here reproduction systems. So Vacheria reproduction system are three types is there: vegetative and asexual and sexual reproduction systems. Yeah. So next now you see here this of in vegetative reproduction system, already you know very well. Asexual reproduction system by, okay, formation of sporangiums. Sporangiums is there. Sporangiums. What is the meaning of sporangiums? Please tell me here, anybody. What is the meaning of sporangiums? Without flagellas is there, that is in sporangiums. Please respond, anyone.
Yes, sir.
Here asexual reproduction system by sporangiums. Now you see here this one. Asexual reproduction system is brought through the fermentation multiflagellate zoospores. Okay, they are produced usually slightly club-shaped sporangiums. So we call that is often zoosporangiums. Okay, so tip of the branch, a portion of branch becomes swollen up and gets converted into a sporangiums. This portion is delimited from siphonoceous filament by the septum at the base of sporangiums. So whatever it may be, the asexual reproduction system by aplanospores or sporangiums. Unfavorable conditions. Okay, so entire the body modified one special type of the structures. So that is in aplanospores. Yeah. So next one, sexual reproduction systems. The sexual reproduction system, it is in Ugonium type, Ugomus type. Sexual reproduction system is common in species of growing in the moist soils in the stagnant water. The algae exhibits an advanced method of in that is of an Ugomus type. Sexual reproduction system by the formation of in Antheridia, and second one that is in Archegonia. Antheridia, it is a male reproductive organ, and Ugonia, it is a female reproductive organ, not Archegonia. Instead of Archegonia, here we are saying that is of in Ugonias. Okay, the most of the freshwater species are monoecious, and some of the members it is in dioecious. Among the monoecious species, Antheridia and Ugonia arise different but close together branches. In certain other species, okay, terrestrial and other, both the sex organs are born on a certain special reproductive branches. The later end of the terminal Antheridia and number of lateral branches terminate into usually spherical of an Ugonia. So this is the sexual reproduction systems. See now here, this is the sexual reproduction systems. Okay, the sexual reproduction system, it is in Ugamus type. Ugamus type, advanced sexual reproduction systems. For example, now you see here, this is one Vacheria plant. In this area, one of the portion is going to develop as a male reproductive organ. One of the sections is going to development as a female reproductive organ. The male reproductive organ we call that is in Antheridia. The female reproductive organ we call that is in Oogonia. Okay. So now you see here, this is the sexual reproduction systems development of Oogonia. How the development of Oogonia? Oogonia is formed the terminal portions here, terminal portions of a short lateral branch which swell up and gradually become the spherical shape. Okay, so in some cases almost of sessile, while in other it bears the short stalk due to course of before fertilizations. Okay, so here some of the members are developed male reproductive organ. Here some of the members are developed as a female reproductive. After the development, the male antherids are comes to outside in this area. It goes to get the female reproductive organs. Okay, so how the development means, here how the metatic division is going and that much of development we are looking in this one. We are also same things. So when the spores comes outside in this area, it goes to get the female reproductive organs. When entered inside the female reproductive organ, so here completed that is in fertilizations. Okay, so this of in development of Antheridia. So that is the development of Oogonia. After now you see here this of in fertilizations. Fertilization means number of anthrozoids are goes to where the female reproductive organ, the female is accepted only one anthrozoids. When entered inside the oogonia, what happened here? Fertilizations. After the fertilization formation, here this is in zygote. Now you see here this is in zygote. Okay, so this zygote is produced to the new plant. So this is a cycle of Vacheria. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
What type of sexual reproduction system in Vacheria?
Okay, master.
Gammas type. The male reproductive organ?
Antheridia.
Very good. Female reproductive organ?
Oogonia.
Oogoniums. How the development of Antheridia? How the development of in Oogonia? After the development, okay, so fertilizations. The fertilizer after the fertilizer forming zygote. This zygote is produced the new plant. This is in Vacheria. Is it clear now, Vacheria?
Yes, sir.
So now you see here. So this one, some one more important points is there in Vacheria. Vacheria is shows of affinities with the different groups. Chlorophyll A present in photosynthetic pigments. This is a structure where we are looking in chlorophycy. That's why this Vacheria is close association in chlorophycy. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And also one more point is there. Pyrenoids are present in certain marine species. Pyrenoid structures. This is also chlorophytic structures. Under prolongated illumination, starch reserve food materials is formed. This is also chlorophytic structures. Zoospore possesses, okay, paired flagellas. Sexual reproduction system. This is in oogamous type. So that's why this xanthophyte is a close association with chlorophytic algae. Understand all of here?
Yes, sir.
Here I am showing this one. Vacheria. Next one. Affinities with xanthophyte. Native cellulose absent in both cases. First point. Carotenoids are present in higher percentage. Only one kind xanthophyll pigment is present. The presence of different types of pigment shows where the xanthophyll, okay, and chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, keratin, and one type of xanthophyll. That's why this is in separate position. Almost all you see now just before completed, so all the similar characters is there. So this is something chlorophyte, but it is not in chlorophyte. Why it is not in? So there we are looking in chlorophyte character. In spite of also we are looking some special type of the character. That's why this is in special xanthophyll, yellow, blue, green algae. Why you are saying yellow, blue, green algae? These are all the characters. Yeah. Okay. Pyrenides are not found. Reserve food material in soil. Anthrozoids have two unequal flagellas. That's why, sir, this is in so yellow green algae. And next, now you see here some fungi characters also observed in this one. What type of fungi characters? So you see, you know the mucar, there is a fungus. The cenocytic is there. Vacheria, it is a cenocytic algae. This is a fungus characters. Next one. So here almost all the sexual reproductive organ developed by similar whatever the fungus we are looking same type of the reproduction system we are also looking in this one. Yeah. So whiplash pincel types of flagellas are present in anthrozoids. This is the similar characters of in fungus. Okay. That's why here this xanthophytic some of the uh, unique characters is there, some of similar characters of fungus is there, some of where the chlorophytic characters also are looking in this one. Okay, so this is the position of in Vacherias. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, here already is there. Affinities of in chlorophyce. Affinities of in xanthophyce. This is now I completed. Yeah, this one. Okay, thalassa is there.